Hey everyone, and welcome back to Success Zone. There are quite a number of things that you can do by utilizing an amazing feature of Google, and that is Google Maps. And so, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make $100 per day with Google Maps. Make sure you stay until the end, as you don't want to miss a way to earn a lot of money daily through Google Maps. Number 10. Download Google Chrome. Get started at the beginning by downloading Google Chrome, a highly reliable and secure web browser used by millions worldwide. It's better to use Google Chrome as we are making use of Google services. You can also download extensions with Google Chrome, and most of them are absolutely free to install. Download for free and start the money-making journey. Number 9. Go to Google Maps. Google Maps is used by millions of people around the world to view different locations. As we said earlier, you can use it to search for local businesses. You can download the app offline or use it online through a web browser called Google Chrome. We will be using Google Maps today to make money, and this technique is really simple. In the online version, when you open Google Chrome, just go to Google. Then you will search Google Maps and click on the first result. Once in Google Maps, search for your current location. This can be done anywhere in the world. Search your location and zoom in. Now we will be looking for local businesses in this area where you will earn the most profit. Number 8. Find a service-based business. Navigating Google Maps is really simple. On the top left of the page is the search bar. In that search bar, you are going to want to search for a service-based business. This can include dentists, plumbers, doctors, any business that provides a service to people. If you're searching for a dentist, then type dentist, then your city. Google Maps will populate a bunch of red dots around the map, and these will be your search results. So if you search dentist, then all these results should be dentists in your local area. The reason you are searching locally is because by doing so, you will get better chances of finding businesses that will want to work with you. You will also earn more money this way. Click on one of these businesses. There will be an information tab that shows up. You are looking for the ones that say claim this business. Make a list of all these local businesses that have that. Those will be your opportunities. Number 7. Google the service-based business. Google is one of the most used search engines in the world, and we'll be using it too. What you will want to do is Google the list of businesses that nobody has claimed. For example, Google search dentists and then your city name. A list of local dentists will appear. Navigate the list and look for a dentist shop that you might know. Can you find it there? If the business is not claimed, it might not be at the top of the list. Find out which business you will want to help move to the top of the list. The higher they are on the list, the more people will visit them and the higher the traffic to their websites. By doing so, you are helping the business and your wallet. Number 6. Reach out to the business. Time to reach out. When reaching out, you want to sound professional yet friendly, so they will be more open to hiring you. There are a couple of ways to reach out to the business. The main way to do this is through phone calls. You should be able to find their phone number fairly easily. If you look at their information on Google Maps, there should be a phone number listed. If it's not there, you can check their website or their Facebook page if they've got one. Not everyone is fond of calling on the phone, so here are a couple more options. You can visit their website and scroll to the very bottom of their page. You should be able to see a Contact Us button. Click on that and you'll be taken to a page to input your email and message. This isn't as reliable as a phone call, but it should do. Next option is to email them directly. Go to their Google Maps information and find their email address through their website or Facebook page if they've got one. Then send them an email. Take a snapshot of their place towards the end of the list and highlight it with an arrow or circle. This will really show them that they could use your help. Now you will want to really sell them with your email. Tell them who you are and that you will help their business raise their rank by optimizing their Google My Business listing on Google. Now tell them that you've noticed their business is not yet claimed and that you can help them out. Basically, tell them the same thing that you would if you were to call them on the phone. Reaching out in any of these ways will help you to get the job. Reach out to multiple companies this way to increase your potential to earn more by working for more businesses. Number 5. Run their ads. A successful business cannot run without ads. Ads bring traffic to your product and service, be it a website or a physical place. You can help a business out by running their ads, and the best way to do so is via social media. Market their service through scheduled posts and pay small fees to advertise certain posts. This will really help get them more customers. Number 4. Update their website. Websites can be a first impression for many people. If you have a website that's hard to navigate or just plain buggy, many people will turn away from the business altogether. You will need more than just a Facebook page if you want to properly run a business, and you can help out with this by updating the company's websites. This will help drive more customers to their businesses and get you more profit for doing a reliable job. Number 3. Optimize their Google My Business listing. A Google My Business listing is what appears on Google when you search for a shop. This is a major impression for many people. If your business is not at the top of the list, many people just simply will not choose to go to it. This is where you can help. You can help to better their ratings and fill out their information to get them to the top of the page. They will be grateful if you can do this, and you will get big profits from doing so. Number 2. Add citations. Adding citations means adding business listings to sites like Yelp and White Pages. Adding these sites there increases traffic to the business. This is what these companies want, and you can charge them to add to these websites. You can add their business hours, location address, phone number, and any other information to make sure people know all about them and can find them reliably. Number 1. Go to Fiverr. Lots of clients and freelancers choose Fiverr. It is full of services that include data entry, website auditing, birthday greeting videos, and many more. You can find just about anything you need on Fiverr, and it is usually quite affordable. It works out like this. Freelancers set up gigs and put them into categories. You can easily search these categories for a job you need. And if you have something more specific in mind, or you just can't find the right job, you as a buyer can set up a special buyer request where you put up a job posting and freelancers bid on the job. You can hire one or more freelancers and tell them your budget and how quickly you want it done, and they will give you their best estimates of their costs and delivery times. With all that said, you can use Fiverr for this new job that you've been preparing for. So, running ads can be one of the things freelancers can do for you. If you're going to hire multiple freelancers, you can hire one of them to run ads, one to fix their website, and one to add citations. But it may be best to just hire one for all of these. That's why you should consider hiring one freelancer that can optimize Google My Business listings. Pay them once and get the job done. Whatever you choose, make sure you charge your businesses accordingly. If you charge $200 but Fiverr freelancers cost $30, then you will have a profit of $170. Make sure you charge properly. Start charging little and then grow your charge as your business does. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.